Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create a mm, GST calculator. Today I'm going to create a GST calculator and with the help of artificial intelligence means AI and Extrago means online website hosting platform. So let's begin the process. Open ChatGPT and write a prompt here. Write code for GST calculator. Yes, GST calculator. Write code for GST calculator India. Use JavaScript means JS, HTML, hypertext markup language, CSS, cascading style sheet, Bootstrap, a framework, Fontavism, CDN, CSS CDN, and icons CDN. So that's it. Writes write in three parts. Press the enter button. Here you go, friends. Below is a clean responsive GST calculator India using HTML, CSS, JavaScript styled with Bootstrap, Fontavism. It supports inclusive GST and exclusive GST calculation. Okay, so this is the code. Head section code. First, I will copy the head section code. Copy it successfully. Okay. After head section, we need to copy body section. I will copy this section also. And after body section, we need to copy the bottom JS script. Bottom JS script. Okay, this is the script of calculator. I will copy this. Okay, so now go back to Chrome browser. Open google.com, American search engine. Search for Extrago here. Don't go with AI, go with the first link, extrago.india. uh, Go to login option. I already logged in, so my dashboard is open now. So what I need to do is I will add a new page on the already created website tools.extrago.in. This is the website. I will go in website pages. I will create a new page. GST calculator. GST calculator India. Page name GST. GST. Only GST. Okay. It will become GST.html. Other things should be same. Press the create button. So now search for look for the page GST calculator index normal GST. Yeah, this one GST.html. This is the page. I will click on setting option. Here the first option, enter custom head code. Enter custom head code. We need to paste the head code section head section code here. Okay, I will go in clipboard of my mobile. Head section, this one is the head section. Okay, head section is ready. Remove the head tag from bottom and from top. Remove the title tag. Already created a title tag. I already written the title is written above, and you don't need to write it again. Okay, so that's it. Every other things should be same. We need to remove the body background color. We do not need this one. style. Okay, one more thing. I need to. I also need to paste the code of index page menu section. Okay, I will go on the clipboard and look for the code. Yeah, this one. Okay, this one. Okay. Yeah, this will work properly now. Oh, paste the JS here. JS means JavaScript. Click on the update button. Data updated. Okay. So look for the page gst.html. Go to setting. Sorry, settings are already done. Go to add and edit code option. Yeah, no HTML code or tag inserted by you for this page. Go to add new HTML code and paste your body section code here. Yeah, this one, body section. Yes. Remove the body tag from here. From the bottom, from the top. Remove it. Okay, press the add. Yeah, code is added. Now look for the output. Go back, go back, go back, go back. Here you go. gst.html. Search for gst.html. Yeah, this one. gst.html. Click on the view page option. Yo, this is the page. Oh, one more error is this. The head section links are not opening, means menu navigation bar is not opening. So no problem at all. कोई बात नहीं. GST कैलकुलेटर इंडिया इंटर अमाउंट इंटर GST रेट 5%, 12%, 18%, 28%. ये है. Let's check for a laptop. Okay, 24,000. And GST rate for technical items are say to 18%. 18%. Exclusive GST. Inclusive GST. Exclusive GST. Okay, calculate. Yeah, base amount 24,000. GST amount 4,320. Total amount 283.20. Yeah, great calculator ever created in 3 minutes on time only with the help of AI and with the help of ExtraGo. Hope you guys you understand. Now let's fix the error. Okay, the error is we need to put the bottom JS code of Bootstrap on the footer section. This is the issue. Okay, I will copy that from this page setting bottom. Yeah, Bootstrap bottom JS. Yes, this one. Okay, copy, close this, open the gst.html settings option, paste the JS here, update it. Okay, invalid page name or type. Page type. Yes. gst.html setting, GST calculator India, GST. Update. Data updated successfully, guys. Now look for the output. View page option. Look at the menu working properly now. This is ExtraGo. ExtraGo is developed by me. Uh, it took 3 years, total 3 years in the development mode. I developed ExtraGo in from last 3 years and still working on ExtraGo platform. Hope you guys find it well, and if you are happy with the services of ExtraGo, you can donate to us, you can buy our plans, and you can support us financially and graphically.